Hey guys, Jason and I are getting ready to go to the Washington coast right now. We're going to the very southern tip, which is Cape Disappointment. We actually went camping there a year ago, but we haven't been back since, so this should be a fun day. Keep watching if you want to go to the Washington coast with us. Jason and I decided to listen to some Mozart on our road trip. What do you think about Mozart?
I think it's great, and it's copyright free. I feel really smart listening to this.
So Jason and I are getting like really sleepy right now on this little road trip. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling sleepy.
And it's probably because we're listening to Mozart and it's all overcast and rainy and I don't know, we're tired. So time to turn on some more exciting music. I think we're starting to wake up a little bit, are you?
Yep, we're going to be driving through these hills for the next hour.
Yes, there's a lot of fall colors right now. It's really beautiful out. Heading to, are we going to?
It goes through Astoria.
We're going to be driving through Astoria, which we've driven through there before on one of these videos. Yeah, we'll show you guys a little bit of it.
It's a Goonies town.
It's a Goonies town.
And people there hate that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Don't ever try to find the Goonies house.
Yeah, don't do that because
People
they really take it seriously. They don't want people coming to the Goonies house.
They get really upset about it. Portland.
North out of Portland.
Up into the Pacific Ocean.
Up into the Pacific Ocean.
So it's fresh water going into the ocean.
And that's where we're at right now, basically. Is that right?
Yep, at the mouth of the ocean or river, whatever.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm not a scientist, guys.
But yeah, look at it. We're pulling up to Washington now, and it looks pretty. So to get to this spot, we go through Oregon because we're right on the border of Oregon, the bottom of Washington. So we go through Oregon to get to the Washington coast. I'm not sure if there's like another way to get to Cape Disappointment, but this is just the way we know, so that's the way we came. I love looking at the water from the car like this.
Trey's loved these big boulders for a long time. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Jason here. Keep Disappointment Lookout. What's this one called?
Beard's Hollow, I think.
Beard's Hollow.
Let's check this
I thought
out.
there was something that they said on here about the gold or something.
Okay. Looks like there was 3 shipwrecks in 1 week in 1853.
3 shipwrecks in 1 week in 1853.
1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 1853. 18
Does this take you on an entire
Yeah,
trail?
it's gonna take us on a whole.
No, you go over here to the lighthouse.
Yeah. Oh, lighthouse. Did you hear that? Kind of like a raccoon. We're here at the North Head Lighthouse, which is in Cape Disappointment State Park. Never seen it, so let's look at it. There's a frog.
Frogs.
0.25 miles to the lighthouse. Not bad. You ready?
Yep. It's supposed to rain today?
Yes.
Yep. What kind of bone is that?
I don't know. It's really starting to rain again. Oh. It's actually not as windy as I thought it was going to be up here. Check out this side. Look at these creepy trees right here. What do you think of the lighthouse?
It's really nice. Looks like they modernized it. Not modernized it. Looks like they keep it restored.
Yeah, it looks really clean and new.
Not bothered by us at all.
I'm used to people. These waves are insane. I'm like afraid.
Let's check the time. The tide is supposed to be high tide at like 3:25. It's 2:33. So this is just about it. Oh man, there's a little picnic table over here. Welcome to the cooking show. We want to move to this side. Brought to you by Digimar. Your leader in Google Ad Partners Platinum Series, the best company in the world.
So here's today's cooking spot. What are we making today, Jay?
We're making some jimshu yakisoba noodles, some vegetables during high tide at Cape Disappointment. And let's throw sesame oil in there. Yep, down there. Okay.
What's that?
It's hot chili oil. Let's put an irresponsible amount in there.
Oh my gosh. Show the bottle or whatever, jar.
Hot chili oil, about a tablespoon. some broth in there.
Some chicken broth. Got some big waves behind us. Got a lighthouse right back there.
It might start raining into my food too. I'll still eat it.
Ooh, let's see.
Some flavor packet.
What kind of flavor packet? The one that comes with
It's the hot and spicy fortune noodles packet.
And you got it at Fred Meyer?
I did.
Look at those noodles, guys. It's gonna smell really good. There goes Jason. He's gonna cut up some broccoli.
With the butter knife.
Jason's cutting up some broccoli at the ocean. There you go. Look at those cutting skills. You get broccoli everywhere.
You can just throw it in there. Make sure it's clean.
Oh,
Oops. Put some zucchini.
put some zucchini in. It's Jason's cooking show.
Feel free to make it anywhere. It could be in your home. It doesn't have to be.
Doesn't have to be at the
It doesn't have to be
ocean.
outdoors or anything. And let's see here. I've got the spatula. Oh, got to put
that?
some teriyaki glaze in there.
Ooh.
Oh.
He's adding more broccoli in.
Yep. I'm just move this out of the way. Take a little while for the heat to build up. Look at it go. Oh, here we go.
Hear those sizzles? If only you could smell it.
Little peppers in there.
Probably making everyone hungry because it smells so good. What should we title this video? We made stir fry on the beach. How about that?
Yeah.
And it wasn't a disappointment.
Whoa!
Got some big waves over
Yeah,
here.
get these in the background.
If you
These
can.
waves.
Here, smile. I'm gonna do a spinny. How does it taste?
It's really spicy. It's really good.
Is it making your nose run?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, that was a big one back there.
He did it like really impressive. So let's go over there and check it out.
Is your hunger satisfied?
It's good. A lot of calories. It's not about the hunger, it's about the location that I cook in. Alright guys.
So more people keep showing up in this spot, and I guess the waves are going to get even worse, so I'm going to stick around for a little bit. getting pretty hairy out, guys. I think that's gonna wrap up our episode for the day. Tomorrow is Saturday, so hopefully we'll be making another one tomorrow. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!